I found that the Honorable Governor's speech was long on words but short on action. What you might say is short on work. All right? You understand that?
Sir, incident of mob lynching is on rise in Odisha. So your thought on it across Odisha?
I think you've heard me saying time and time again, the law and order situation in this government, the law and order situation in this government is in a dreadful state. Nowhere in our country, in the whole of India, do you get such reports of what is happening in law and order and violence, excepting in Odisha.
Thank you, sir.